Okay, good afternoon. My name, as you heard, is Ronald Kritzler. I'm the co-founder and CEO of LIKK Technology. And we're here to talk for the next 5-6 minutes about water and how dangerous it can be to buildings. Water is actually the number one cause of damages and losses to buildings, with an estimated $75 billion in direct losses every year, wasting about 1 trillion gallons of water due to the same events. The interesting and positive news is that 93% of them could have been avoided with early detection and rapid response. And that's where our mission surrounds itself. We're leveraging technology to mitigate the risk and water leak damages in buildings, making them safer, greener, and more resilient. This mission is actually a reality. As of last year in 2020, we actually were able to detect 98% of the water leaks within our customer buildings. We escalated about 3,000 water leak alerts, and they translated into 0 insurance claims. We estimate that we have saved our customers and their insurance carriers about $27 million in damages. So our solution is an IoT-based loss and risk mitigation as a service. It's designed to detect, respond, and prevent water leak damages in buildings. And our main value proposition is to mitigate those risks and losses by 90%. We provide a alert and escalation within the minute of the sensor detecting the water, so the building can respond in a rapid manner. This allows them also to reduce the uninsured repairs by almost 40 to 60% on a yearly basis. And it reduces the anxiety and threat of not knowing where the next leak is going to come, knowing that your building is being fully monitored for any type of water. Also, there's a positive impact that it has on sustainability and social regarding water conservation and drought. And all this value proposition and solution is presented as no additional workload for the operations of the building. We do this as a service. So we take care, and LIKK take care of deploying and monitoring all water sensors throughout the property. We customize and escalate the alerts so multiple people within the organization and the property can react properly. We can even integrate these alerts to automatic shut-off valve based on operational rules on when to shut off a valve if it's necessary. On the back end, we're building and feeding a data analytics platform that provides a better preventive maintenance programs for customers and multiple stakeholders. It provides a very transparent process of claims for insurance. It deters fraud at the insurance level, and also provide for a much better risk assessment of the threat itself. As a service, we actually provide a 30-day payback and a very strong ROI for our customers. And this graphically translate in our competitive landscape. You can see here all the left side of the quadrant is all the alternatives in the market that do sell the hardware, transfer the monitoring and service to the end customer, and they pretty much wash their hands other than the guarantee on the hardware. Our approach as a service leaves us in a very interesting area of the competition landscape, with only 1 or 2 companies that we're competing right now in that with that approach. What makes us different, what keeps us in that quadrant, is the reliability and connectivity. We do not tap into the internet or the Wi-Fi of the customer, which pretty much takes cybersecurity out of the equation. It's very easy to deploy with low intrusion. We can deploy 100,000 square feet of our commercial space within 5 hours. It can be operated as a standalone platform or fully integrated into any type of facility software. We provide data visibility to multiple stakeholders, from the property manager, asset manager, insurance company. It's fully automated, so as I repeat, there's no additional workload for the building operation. And we have a very inclusive approach with the insurance industry. This is something that very few companies built into their model from the beginning. And it's one of the things that it's our main competitive advantage at this point. And of course, there's no equipment cost. As a service, we don't sell the equipment. So that's a big advantage for our customers. We're operating in the intersection of PropTech and InsurTech, more specifically in the IoT market, which is estimated to be a $1.4 trillion market in 2026. Our targeted and addressable market is $6.3 billion of untapped revenue within the residential and condo buildings over 10 stories high, and commercial real estate and facilities in the US. Our customers, we sell to real estate owners, operators, and insurance companies, although we're partnered with a wide range of stakeholders like insurance brokers, facility management software companies, property management, and even occupiers. As a service, we have a very attractive recurring business model. 90% of our revenue comes from our monthly monitoring service fee. The other 10% is a setup fee that we charge up front. Our pricing is strictly related to the amount of equipment that gets deployed into the building. As of today, we have zero churn, so no contracts have been canceled. We operate with an 84 plus gross margin, and our current cost of acquisition has been kept below the $10,000 per customer, where we implement about $45,000 in equipment for a lifetime value over 8 years of over $350,000.
Ron.
Yes.
What is your ask for the group today?
So my ask for the group today, it's we're looking for a pre-Series A of $2 million in order to do some key hiring, consolidate some strategic partnerships and distribution opportunities that we're working on, introduce the AI modeling for forecast, and reach out the $1 million in AMRR by the end of 2022.